He's the only one person in our class in Bahmanbadia. Bahmanbadia is dangerous place. You
No, brother,
know this.
Brown people is very helpful and very honest.
Oh, I
Very
also
friendly,
know
brother.
this. I also know these things. Okay, now you know today how many homework today.
Brother, today how like 8 make video and 30 sentence.
eight videos.
Yes, 8 make video and 30 sentence writing. But it's very hard.
Oh.
Then I complete 8 make video and complete write.
Oh, thank you. What is this?
Is English fantasy card is this card and no see then get out in English fantasy.
Okay, I understand, but I don't have any card. I will just put in my pocket in this card.
English fantasy is always in my pocket.
Okay, we don't talk
ওকে
anything.
যদি গাইস
now.
আপনারা যদি আপনার মা বাবাকে ভালোবাসে থাকেন অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব এবং লাইক দিয়ে কমেন্ট দিয়ে পাশে থাকবেন আর কমেন্টে জানাবেন আপনাদের হোম টাউন